Namaste and welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life AI. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have endless energy? They work all day, exercise regularly, and still have enough enthusiasm to enjoy life. Meanwhile, many of us begin the day feeling fresh, only to find ourselves exhausted by afternoon. If that sounds familiar, you're certainly not alone. The good news is that building stamina isn't about expensive supplements or punishing workout routines. It's about making a few simple science backed lifestyle changes that help your body produce energy naturally and use it more efficiently. In today's video, we'll explore 7 natural ways to boost your stamina, improve your endurance, and help you feel more energetic every single day. And if you'd like to dive even deeper into this topic, we've published a detailed article on our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. So let's begin our journey towards a stronger body, greater endurance, and a healthier, more energetic life. Imagine trying to drive your car on a long journey after filling the fuel tank with poor quality fuel. No matter how powerful the engine is, it simply won't perform at its best. Your body works in much the same way. The most powerful stamina booster isn't found in a bottle or a gym, it's found in a good night's sleep. While you sleep, your body repairs tired muscles, restores lost energy, balances important hormones, and prepares you for the challenges of the next day. But it's not just about sleeping longer. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day allows your body's internal clock to work in perfect harmony. When your sleep becomes consistent, you'll notice something remarkable. You wake up feeling refreshed, your workouts become easier, your concentration improves, and your energy lasts much longer throughout the day. Every journey towards greater stamina begins with quality sleep. Have you ever wondered why your energy suddenly crashes just a few hours after eating? Often the answer lies on your plate. Your body is like a high performance engine. It performs best when it's given the right fuel. Foods like oats, whole grains, lentils, fruits, vegetables, and nuts provide slow and steady energy that keeps you active for hours. Drinking enough water is equally important because even mild dehydration can leave you feeling tired before your body has actually reached its limits. Iron rich foods such as spinach, lentils, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds help carry oxygen to every muscle in your body, allowing you to work harder without feeling exhausted. And by timing your meals wisely, especially before and after exercise, you give your body exactly what it needs to perform better and recover faster. When you nourish your body intelligently, stamina becomes a natural outcome rather than a constant struggle. Many people believe that building stamina means pushing themselves harder every single day. Surprisingly, that's one of the biggest mistakes they can make. Real endurance isn't built by exhausting your body, it's built by training it intelligently. Begin with comfortable walks, light jogging, cycling, or swimming to develop a strong aerobic foundation. Once your body adapts, introduce short bursts of higher intensity through interval training. These brief challenges encourage your heart, lungs, and muscles to become stronger and more efficient. But remember, progress should always be gradual. Your body needs time to adapt and recover. Trying to do too much too soon often leads to fatigue, frustration, or even injury. The secret isn't training until you're exhausted. It's training consistently, allowing your body to become stronger week after week. That's how real stamina is built, and how it lasts for years. Have you ever noticed that when you're tired, stressed, or exercising intensely, your breathing becomes fast and shallow? Surprisingly, the way you breathe can determine how long you can keep going. Most people breathe using only the upper part of their lungs, limiting the amount of oxygen their bodies receive. By learning to breathe deeply using your diaphragm, you allow more oxygen to reach your muscles, helping them work longer with less fatigue. Pair this with rhythmic breathing, matching your breath to your movements while walking, running, or exercising. And you'll notice your body becoming more efficient and your recovery becoming much faster. Sometimes, the secret to greater stamina isn't working harder, it's simply learning to breathe smarter. Master your breath, and you'll unlock a powerful source of natural energy that's been within you all along. When people think about stamina, they often imagine running, cycling, or swimming. But there's another powerful secret that's often overlooked: building strength. Strong muscles don't just help you lift heavier weights, they help your body perform everyday activities with far less effort. Exercises like squats, lunges, push ups, planks, and rows strengthen the muscles that support your posture, improve your balance, and reduce the amount of energy your body wastes during movement. Equally important is recovery. Giving your body time to repair through light walking, stretching, yoga, or gentle movement keeps your muscles fresh and ready for the next challenge. Remember, your body doesn't become stronger during exercise, it becomes stronger while it recovers. Train with purpose, recover with patience, and your endurance will continue to grow. Have you ever felt completely exhausted even though you hadn't done much physical work? That's because stamina isn't just about your muscles, it's also about your mind. Constant stress, poor time management, and a busy mind force your body to release stress hormones that quietly drain your energy throughout the day. Simple habits like meditation, yoga, mindful breathing, and taking a few moments to slow down help calm your nervous system and allow your body to recover more effectively. Even organizing your daily schedule can make a remarkable difference. When your mind is calm, your body performs better. You think more clearly, recover more quickly, and find yourself with energy you never realized you had. True stamina begins when both your body and your mind work together in perfect harmony. By now, you've discovered that lasting stamina is built on healthy daily habits. But once those habits are firmly in place, nature offers a few remarkable allies that can give your body an extra advantage. For centuries, ashwagandha has been valued in Ayurveda for helping the body adapt to stress, recover better, and maintain steady energy levels. Beetroot, rich in natural nitrates, improves blood flow and helps your muscles receive more oxygen during physical activity, making exercise feel easier and more efficient. Ginseng, another time tested herbal remedy, is known for supporting both physical endurance and mental alertness. Remember, these are not magical shortcuts. Think of them as supportive companions that work best when combined with quality sleep, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. Build a strong foundation first, and these natural boosters can help you perform at your very best. Let's pause for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed instead of exhausted, climbing stairs without losing your breath, enjoying your workouts instead of merely surviving them, finishing a busy day with enough energy left to spend quality time with your family. That transformation doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't require extraordinary talent. It begins with a few simple choices repeated consistently every day. Sleep a little better, eat a little smarter, move your body regularly, breathe deeply, build your strength gradually, manage your stress with intention. Stay hydrated, and if appropriate, consider natural supplements as part of a healthy lifestyle. These small daily habits may seem ordinary on their own, but together they create extraordinary stamina. The journey begins with just one step, and the best day to take that step is today. As we come to the end of this journey, remember that true stamina isn't simply about running faster or lifting heavier weights. It's about having the energy to live life fully, to pursue your dreams, care for your loved ones, stay productive at work, and enjoy every moment with enthusiasm and confidence. Here at Variety is the Spice of Life AI. We believe that a fulfilling life is built on balance. That's why, besides practical fitness and wellness advice, we also bring you authentic vegetarian recipes, fascinating astrology insights, inspiring stories, timeless soulful music, and thought provoking ideas designed to enrich everyday living. If you found this video valuable, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to become part of our growing community. Your support motivates us to continue creating meaningful content every week. And if you'd like to explore this topic in greater depth, don't forget to visit our blog using the link provided in the description below, where you'll find a detailed article packed with additional insights and practical tips. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, stay healthy, stay positive, keep learning, and always remember asterisk, asterisk. Variety truly is the spice of life.